Alright, let's get started on this. To make this, you want to mix together your dry ingredients, your all-purpose flour, kosher salt, and your instant yeast. Sugar. Then add some more milk to that and mix it a bit. Whoops, sorry, mine got a bit messy here. And after that, I'm going to add my egg to it and mix into it. You're going to want to knead this back and forth for about 20 minutes. It's time consuming and painful and messy. If you have a stand mixer, use that instead. After this, we're going to line up a bowl with some olive oil, place our dough ball in there, cover it, and then we're going to rest it for about 2 hours. This should allow it to double in size and rise. You're going to want to take every individual little small dough ball and roll it up with your hands, almost making like a little hook at the end of your hand to get some really nice turning. That should look a little bit soft on all the sides of the dough ball. And then we're going to place these in a parchment lined baking pan. After that, we're going to allow the dinner rolls to proof in the actual baking pan itself for about an hour and a half. That's going to increase their size and they're going to double. To make our egg wash, we're going to use just a little bit of milk, about a quarter cup, and 1 egg. We're going to whisk that together. Now that our dinner rolls are proofed, we're going to pull them and then we're going to brush them with our egg wash on top, back and forth. Once this is all done, we can now put them directly into the oven at about 350 degrees. Make sure it's preheated, otherwise it will bake slightly different if it's not. You will know it's ready when it has reached an internal temperature of 190 degrees Fahrenheit, or if you put a pick through them and it comes out clean, that's a good indicator that it's ready. If you enjoyed this, please hit that subscribe button.